Okay, Ryan, I covered how to make these tables in an earlier video, and my guess is you either missed it, forgot it, or maybe just didn't watch it to start with. So there's no reason you can't make these tables in Composer, and I'm going to demonstrate that again. First of all, if we look at the first one here, it's two columns, a column here and a column here, and essentially it's one row. So we can start over here, but it's probably easier to start with if we look at this 4 rows and 2 columns. So let's start with that in Composer. And I'm going to do table, and we said insert table, and we said that it was 4 rows, 2 columns. Okay, this doesn't look much like what you have built in, or what, like that picture. But what we will do is we'll come over here and we'll highlight these 4 cells, and then we'll right click and we'll say join selected cells. Okay, right now we're getting a lot closer to this image right here. Now what we have to do is pull it over so that these are at about 20 or 25% instead of half the table. You do that by putting your cursor in the cell, right clicking, and then you go to table cell properties. You want to make sure you're on the cell tab, which I believe it defaults to. And if we set the cell width and we put like 20, then we don't want it at pixels, we want it at percent of table. And there you go. And there is your table just like it is drawn in this one. All right. Right below that, I'm going to make this table for you. So if we look at it, it essentially is 2 rows to start with and 4 columns. So we'll go over to Composer and we'll come down from this table. Whoops, I'm still in the table. I got to get out of it, Ryan. Sorry. Actually, I'm just going to, for that reason, I'm going to delete it and start a new one. There, now I'm out of it. All right, down here I'll create your other one. And we said it was essentially 2 rows and 4 columns. So table, insert, table, 2 rows, 4 columns, like that. It starts like this. You want to merge or join those first ones. And there it is, just like it is in the other one. So this was covered earlier, but there's another tutorial for you.